Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pritiman Gachat. I am studying in Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. I am looking forward to talking with you today about biomass preparation technique for harnessing densification. Then the various points to be discussed. We discuss about one by one content. First, introduction, then methods, what is densification, fundamentals of densification, compaction methods and hardware. Then bells, beller, pellets, screw compaction, briquettes, mechanical piston press, characteristics of wood pellets and briquettes. Then let's move to the next slide. Then first we're talking about introduction. It is renewable energy, lower energy content than traditional fossil fuels. When combined, lower energy content with low density, the volume of biomass handled increase enormously. Methods. There are three methods for biomass preparation technique for harnessing. First one is densification, second one is size reduction, third one is drying. In this PPT, we are talking about only densification. Then what is densification? Densification is the process of increasing the density of something. It is also known as compaction, and it is compacting the low developed density material into a product of high density. In this picture, a common volume ratio for unprocessed material with the gives replacing the volume of material required for equal energy. 16 is to 4 is to 1 for straw to wood to coal. Then the talking about the fundamentals of densification. First, it is reduce the storage space and transportation cost. Potential advantage for energy and feedstocks. Application of densified waste biomass are evident. The heating value is 15 to 17 megajoule per kg. Pellets, briquettes, logs, and valet straw. Compaction methods and hardware. The pellets and briquettes are manufactured by extrusion and other techniques. The ring die extrusion or die and roller mill is the most widely used machine type in wood pelleting. Then densification products. There are the products are three types. First one bells, second one pellets, third one is briquettes. First, we're talking about the bells. It is a traditional method of densification commonly used to harvest crops. Bells can be square, rectangular, or round depending on the type of baler used. A bell is formed using baler that compress. This is the image of round bells. This is the image of rectangular bells. Baler. It is a machine used to compress hay or straw into bales for easy transport and storage. It is the simplest minimum package for marketing. Cost of bales per acre 2,500 to 3,000. Then pellets. It is very high in density. Density is 700 to 750 kg per meter cube. Length greater than 38 mm. Diameter 7 mm. Pellets are formed by an extrusion process. Cubes are larger pellets. Then the pellets are crop residue and forestry waste or household waste. Cost is rupees 8,000 per ton used in heating, cooking and boiler. This is the image of pellets. Then screw compaction. This is the machine used for the produce the pellets. First attempt to bring the smaller particles closer. Force acting between them becomes stronger, providing more strength to the densified block. material. This is the image of screw compaction. First, the metals are feeding in the hopper. Then the die is reciprocating the high pressure and compressing. The metal is conveyed to the fillets and forming head by revolving the screw shaft. It is shaft driven by the electric motors. Briquettes. Briquettes are similar to fillets but different in size. Density is 1200 kg per meter cube. The diameter is less than 25 mm. Raw metals are agricultural waste like baggage, straws, and coffee husks. Then the next slide of briquettes. The biomass densified through the screw extraction has higher storability. Briquettes are used for grilling, cooking, and water heating. Cost is rupees 4,800 for ton. Briquettes. This is the image of briquettes. Then pucks. Pucks a part of briquettes and resilient to moisture. Density 1,340 kg per meter cube. Raw metals used are vulcanized rubber and local silk screen. This is the image of pucks. The pucks are look around like round shape. Then mechanical piston press. There are various number of machines like hydraulic press, but we are discussing about only mechanical piston press used to turn the powder in block shape. Large scale production ranging from 200 to 2,500 kg per hour. A continuously rotating eccentric connected to a plunger presses the raw materials through a cooling tank. This is the image of mechanical piston press. The briquettes produced by piston press are completely solid. First, we take the raw material from the grinder, planer, or milling machine. Then the reciprocating higher pressure and compressing the raw material to the cyclone for the separation of air and the raw material. Then the rotary valve, then the dusting cello, then the feeding screw, then the feeding screw to the mechanical briquetting press, then the briquettes around. The characteristics of good pellets and briquettes. Pellets. The colors should be woody. The brackets moisture content is around 10 to 18%. Pellets. The specific weight has be approx 0.6 kg per liter, and the briquettes airflow is good. And the pellets, the wood pellet have to be without additives. And the briquette strength is increased with the increasing competitive pressure. And then the pellets, the content of water between 5 to 10%. Then the briquettes as remover. These some source of presentation. Thank you. If you have any inquiries and questions, comment in the comment box.